So now I'm just basically putting in that primer. The sun is kind of hot, so I put a little makeshift cover with my bimini top. The sun's kind of hot. I don't want this paint to cure before time. Putting a light coat of this primer. Before I started putting in this primer, I wiped all this down with acetone just to make sure I got any of the powder and stuff like that off of it. I also scuffed up the epoxy that I used to seal up most of this. So I did do that to make sure I have good adhesion. And I'm basically just doing a light coat. I'm not trying to do a lot, just light coat, you know. Make sure I get it down as even as possible. It's not definitely it's not by any means perfect, but for what I want it for, I just want to make sure this boat is leak proof. Come over to this side. Start doing the same thing. I might have to come back and seal up the keel a little better. I see some space, some gaps where this keel iron or whatnot meets the actual hull of the boat, and it has some space, some gap between it in certain parts where I didn't seal it enough, I guess. This epoxy it's kind of clear when it goes on, so you can't really tell what you're doing. You know, once it dries up, it kind of gets an amber, kind of yellowish color. Yeah, I want to do that. Well, yeah, basically that's it for now. I'll hit you guys up when I'm ready to top coat it, which is really the bottom coat for this one.